Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy 2019, and this year we're going to start the year off with a haul. So I have some hair products that I have hauled from Sally's, and I purchased this a long time ago, like when they were having their 50% off sale. I also have some products that was sent to me for a review, so I want to go ahead and show you guys the products that I received. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the hair products because you guys are mainly here for the hair products. So let's go ahead and jump right into the hair products. Some products I've never used before and some products I have used before. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Cara Care, and this is their Curl Essence Moisturizing Co-Wash. I use this stuff, very moisturizing, love, 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 love it. My first time using it, it was really good for a co-wash, really moisturizing. I also purchased their Moisturizing Curl Cream, which was okay. I used it, it was okay. And I also purchased their Moisturizing Jelly, which was also okay. So these products were okay, but I really like the co-wash. This was really bomb, but these products were pretty good. They were pretty good. Guys, from the One and Only Argan Oil line, I got the Curl Cream, and I also got the Hydrating Mask. I also picked up the Proclaim, and this is their Flaxseed Oil Cream Gel right here, which I actually really like this gel. It's a pretty nice gel. So yeah, so I really like the gel. The gel is really good. Another thing from the Proclaim line, I purchased the Proclaim, and this is their Coconut Oil Anti-Breakage Deep Conditioner. I used this a few years back and I couldn't remember if I liked it or not, so I picked it up again. So hopefully with my natural hair, my hair will like it more than my relaxed hair did. So yeah, so I picked that up. And I also picked up another moisturizing conditioner. I got the liter bottle right here because this stuff is bomb. So for the Silk Elements line, I got the Luxury Moisturizing Treatment. This is the one with shea, honey, and silk. I also got the Leave-In Hair Cream, which I really like their hair cream. It's really good. Also, I got the Olive Moisturizing Treatment and the Strengthen Silk Intense Conditioning Mayo. And if you guys have used any of these products, leave it in the comment section and let me know your thoughts of it. Was it moisturizing for your hair? I did try the olive oil one and it was okay. So I don't really like it, but it was okay. That was all of my hair products. So now I'm jumping into the makeup. First, I'll start off with the PUR Cosmetics. I got their Dr. Seuss, and this is the Grinch Stole Christmas line. I did purchase their makeup brushes. So these are the makeup brushes that I purchased right here. Really pretty, super soft. But the only thing about these makeup brushes that they are super small. Like they're very thin. They're really thin, so I don't like that about the brushes, but it's okay. So I got those brushes, and it also came with this cute little the Grinch Stole Christmas pouch. And when I purchased that, I also got 3 of the Resting Grinch Face, and this is their Hydrating Sheet Mask for free. I also purchased from the My Little Pony line. I did pick up their makeup brushes because I'm addicted to makeup brushes. I absolutely love makeup brushes. They're the best thing ever, and I can't ever get enough of them. Alright guys, so they did send me their Good Enough to Steal 12-piece collector face palette color changing lip balm sets. I love their makeup. Is so rich in pigment. They're really good. So this is their makeup palette, and when you open it up, it looks like this, and it has a little mirror at the top, and then it has some cardboard cutouts, and then it has like a little gold pull-out thing right here, and you can pull out the actual palette, the palette right here, and you do get a color changing lip balm right here. So it's green, but when you actually use it, it looks green, but when you actually use it, it does turn into like a pinkish color. So I'm gonna go ahead and swipe this. So when you do it, it will gradually turn pinker and pinker. Like it's getting deeper and deeper right now. So I thought that was really cool. We get a blush, a highlight, and then you get 10 more additional eyeshadow colors, which is really cool. Eyeshadow palette that I got was going to be the Morphe, and this is their Social Butterfly palette. Never tried their eyeshadow palettes. Look how bright those colors are, y'all. Super bright colors. Very pretty. Can't wait to use this palette. They also sent the All I Want, and this is their 6-piece eye brush collection. So their brushes I am quite familiar with, but it does come in this beautiful little glittery bag that I love because I love glitter. And these are the makeup brushes right here. So you get 6 of them, and their brushes are really good quality brushes for your eyeshadow look. So I cannot wait to use these two together for a makeup look for you guys. Artiste sent me there, and you guys know I love Artiste brushes. Like, their brushes are bomb.com. They are worth the money. They are good quality brushes. Definitely save up for these brushes because they are an investment. They do last a long time. Good quality brushes, and they are worth the money. So they sent me from their Elite collection their Smoke Finish, and this is their face brush. And this is for foundations, concealers, blush, finishing powder, bronzers, and skincare. So you can even put your skincare on with this brush. So it is a dual purpose brush. It does everything. And this is the Oval 10 brush. It has this beautiful smoky platinum color to it. Like, it is reflective, beautiful brush. Cannot wait to use this brush. So this is the actual brush here, and it is so bomb.com. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I do want to address the fact that I haven't been putting out videos lately. I have been sick. I am still recovering. As you guys can probably tell in my voice, I don't really sound the same. It's like I'm still getting over this cold or whatever this is. I catch one every year. You guys know last year it was the same thing. Colds, they just give me every year. So I'm still getting over a cold. There's still new content coming out, so don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.